Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that many people think about but often ignore. Have you ever wondered how much of a deep impact going to bed before 11 p.m. can have on your body and mind? Many people stay up late thinking, I'll catch up on sleep tomorrow, but the truth is, the benefits of early sleep are massive. Science shows that going to bed before 11 p.m. doesn't just boost your energy, it also improves your mood, focus, memory, productivity, and overall health. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all these benefits step by step, and I'll also share some practical tips you can follow to become an early sleeper. If you pay attention and stick to it for a few days, you'll start noticing changes, I promise. Let's start with the first benefit, better sleep quality. When you go to bed before 11 p.m., your body's circadian rhythm stays on track. Your internal body clock works in perfect harmony, regulating hormone production, body temperature, and energy levels. During early sleep, your body enters the deep restorative sleep stage, which is crucial for muscle growth, tissue repair, and brain function. This is when your body repairs old cells, removes fatigue, and prepares you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. But if you stay up late, even if you sleep for 7 to 8 hours, your rhythm can get disturbed. This often leaves you feeling groggy in the morning, affects your concentration, and makes your day less productive. Early sleep is like pressing a natural reset button for your body, restoring your energy, alertness, and overall health. Next, let's talk about mental clarity and brain function. Your brain collects information throughout the day, and during sleep, it organizes everything, removes unnecessary clutter, and consolidates important memories. Going to bed early ensures that you don't miss the critical stages of deep sleep. In this stage, your brain removes neurotoxins that can cause brain fog and forgetfulness. Early sleepers tend to have stronger memory, better focus, and improved decision-making skills. Staying up late disrupts this process, reducing mental performance. Early sleep essentially gives your brain VIP treatment, fully recharging it by the end of the day. Another very important benefit is mood and emotional stability. How you feel the next day is strongly influenced by your sleep timing and quality. Staying up late disrupts stress hormones, especially cortisol, which can make you irritable, anxious, or moody. Early sleep helps regulate these hormones, leaving you calmer, happier, and emotionally stable. Studies even show that early sleepers experience less depression and anxiety. And it's not just about health. Better sleep also improves your overall happiness. Your daily interactions feel smoother, relationships get stronger, and your confidence grows naturally. Now, let's dive into physical health benefits. Going to bed early has numerous positive effects on your body. First, your immune system becomes stronger. Early sleep allows your body to produce more infection-fighting cells and antibodies, which reduces your risk of falling sick. Second, heart health improves. Late-night habits increase the risk of heart problems, whereas early sleep supports a healthy cardiovascular system. Third, weight management becomes much easier. Late-night snacking and disrupted hunger hormones can lead to weight gain. Early sleep balances hormones like ghrelin and leptin, helping you naturally control your appetite and maintain a healthy weight. There are also some subtle benefits that many people overlook. For instance, going to bed early helps your skin stay healthier because your body regenerates cells during deep sleep. Lower stress levels slow down aging, and your complexion looks brighter and more refreshed. Your hair, nails, and overall appearance also improve naturally. These may seem small, but over time they make a noticeable difference. Energy and productivity are obvious, yet extremely important benefits. When you get proper early sleep, you wake up feeling refreshed, full of energy, and ready to tackle the day. Early sleep makes your day more productive, improves focus, and keeps your motivation high. Successful people often prioritize sleep because they know that early nights lead to early mornings, and early mornings lead to better results. When you wake up fully recharged, your creativity, problem-solving skills, and learning abilities are significantly sharper. Now, let's talk about how to go to bed before 11 p.m. consistently. First, avoid screens for at least 1 hour before bedtime. Phones, TVs, and computers emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. Second, establish a night routine. Choose calming activities like reading, meditation, or listening to soft music. Third, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Training your body clock gradually makes falling asleep naturally easier. Fourth, avoid caffeine late in the day. Coffee, tea, or other caffeinated drinks at night can delay your sleep. Here are some bonus tips that can make a huge difference. Keep a small journal to track your sleep timing, morning mood, and energy levels. This will help you see your progress over time. Avoid heavy meals at night. A light dinner is ideal. Exercise regularly, but preferably during the day, because intense late-night workouts can disturb sleep. Another tip is to use small techniques to reduce stress at night. Try deep breathing, journaling, writing down things you're grateful for, or listening to soft instrumental music. These simple habits help your mind and body relax and improve sleep naturally. Over time, you'll notice your productivity, mood, and energy levels improving significantly just by prioritizing early sleep. Let me also give you a small personal example. Imagine you normally go to bed at 1 a.m. and wake up at 8 a.m. You feel tired, foggy, and struggle to focus during the day. Now, if you shift your bedtime gradually to 10:30 p.m. and wake up at 6:30 a.m., your mornings feel brighter, your energy is high, and even small tasks seem easier. This simple change can impact everything from your work performance to your emotional well-being. So as you can see, going to bed before 11 p.m. isn't just about sleep. It's about better rest, a sharper mind, improved mood, a stronger body, glowing skin, higher energy, and a more productive lifestyle. If you start tonight, you'll notice these changes within a few weeks. Your body and mind naturally function better when you respect their natural rhythm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. With better sleep, you'll start each day full of energy, positivity, and focus. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.